See if that'll go into focus here a little bit. So they're, let's see, we'll just kind of focus on him a little bit. So. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna film. This is how they build scaffolding. There's a skater right there, and there's like, I think this statue is not Confucius, but it's something. It's in the University of Macau, so it's kind of in like a little plaza between buildings, and you can see some of the buildings here. So you can see that we're surrounded by 4 sides, and you can also see some of the beautiful trees around here too, like this one. And in a minute, I'm gonna focus on the scaffolding. So the scaffolding is a very kind of cool technique. So basically what they do, they put all this bamboo and they build it all up, and you can see kind of the cross sections like this, and you can see, I'll kind of zoom in a little bit so you can see what they're doing. So they're kind of building, let's see if that'll go into focus here a little bit. So they're, let's see, we'll just kind of focus on him a little bit. So basically it looks like he's kind of putting things in place. So let me just see if I can, there's the focus right there, so you can see how things are kind of connected, right? So now he's going to go back up. So they just climb up everywhere. Do they have any safety nets? And then there's a loose one right there behind him. There's another one here. So they're building a platform, so he's standing on that platform right there. And I guess he's building the next layer. Yep, so he's handing this up to this guy. So he's building the next layer so they can walk on both of those, That framer like that. So he's going to keep handing those up. And it looks like is this guy handing it out? Somebody. There's a bunch of them that are leaning against the wall right there. So it looks like he's pulling them up, and then he's gonna pass one over that way, I think. So he's gonna, and there's another guy over there too. So there's another guy here. You see him. So I guess they're building several platforms here. So let's kind of zoom out, and then you can see the overall picture. So there's at least 4 guys, and they're kind of building all the places to walk on. 5 people. And the yellow helmet there, sitting there. Somebody's missing their helmet. I wonder what the helmets signify. Anyways, that's kind of what they're doing here. They're building something. So, okay. This is kind of a courtyard at the University of Macao. And right there. Okay, so here's the same image from this side. So just film. So that's all the scaffolding, so they can kind of build it up. And there's some workers right there. There's one there, and one over here too. There's one. Where's the other one? All right.
Toma cuidado la